when you see me strutting in the farmyard. You would think I have the best of lives, but twixt me and you, I've enough to do, settling the quarrels of my 14 wives. Now I've got an awful thing to tell you. I've become a father, don't you see? I'm quite out of pup, isn't it enough? Listen for a minute, then you'll pity me. Oh, chuck, 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 chuck. Have you seen my chickens when they're on parade? Chuck, 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 kicking up the dickens. Such a fuss they've made. To have quins for your sins would be bad enough, but whatever would you say if you had chuck, 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 such a lot of chickens getting bigger and bigger every day?
If I had some private means to help me, I should not have quite so much to say. Half a dozen flies taken by surprise, plus a ground of 20 spiders every day. But their appetites are simply awful. I can't get time to crow or flap my wings. Then when they are fed, off they go to bed,
underneath the shelter of my third wife's wing. Chuck, 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 chuck. Have you seen my chickens when they're on parade? Chuck, 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 kicking up the dickens. Such a fuss they've made. To have queens for your sins would be bad enough, but whatever would you say if you had chuck, 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 such a lot of chickens getting bigger and bigger every day? Good morning, Mrs. Dorking. How are you?
Oh, not so well, Mr. Chanticleer, not so well.
Indeed, I'm sorry, yorry. How's that?
Oh, well, the fact is, I never felt the same since you gave me that caterpillar.
Oh, you don't say so. And it was such a lovely caterpillar.
Oh, I know, but it was all gritty.
By the way, there's a pretty little minorca over there, the one eating in the dustbin.
Oh, Mr. Chanticleer, really, I wonder at your mentioning that person to me.
Sorry, yorry. I merely said she was pretty.
Oh, ridiculous. Why, she's got black legs.
Black legs? Most delightful. What of it?
Oh, and she was born in an incubator.
An incubator? How shocking.
Oh, and that's not the worst. She lays shop eggs.
Shop eggs? How dreadful. And, what did you say her address is?
I didn't say.
Women again. Chuck, 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 chuck. Have you seen my chickens when they're on parade? Chuck, 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 kicking up the dickens. Such a fuss they've made. To have queens for your sins would be bad enough, but whatever would you say if you had chuck, 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 such a lot of chickens getting bigger and bigger every getting bigger and bigger every chuck, 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 such a lot of chickens getting bigger and bigger every day. Hello, Sarah.
Enery, your face is that red.
I know, I've gone all of a doodah. Listen. I've tied this string around my thumb to recollect, you see, to ask you when we met today if you would marry me. Oh, Sarah.
Oh, Enery.
My Sarah.
When I go out to feed the pigs, as farmers' daughters do, it makes so happy when I know I'll soon be feeding you.
Oh, Sarah.
Oh, Enery. My Enery.
My Sarah. Sarah, I saw a famous man in village this morning.
Oh, who be?
E.B. and O.B.E. E.B.
Oh, B.
Aye, B and O. I love to scratch our brindle cow. I like to hear her move.
And all the time I'm scratching earth, I'm thinking, dear, of you. Oh, Sarah.
Oh, Enery. My Enery.
My Sarah.
Our old black pig was here just now. You should have seen her run.
I seen him run.
He must have known by instinct like two's company, three is none.
Oh, Sarah.
Oh, Enery.
Ooh.
My Enery.
My Sarah.
Enery, have you been up to London?
No, it be a fast place, London.
Why, Enery?
Well, I hear that a woman called Salome took off her clothes and danced before Harrods. What do you think?
Oh.
Isn't that terrible? I'll tie the bands and clean the sties and clear the mud away. Then while I'm fit for dirty work, we'll have our wedding day. Oh, Sarah.
Oh, Enery.
Ooh.
My Enery.
My Sarah.